For example, if you make a mistake, that is when you learn, okay, to do the correct thing. මම වැරද්දක් කරොත් තමයි මට හිතා ගන්න පුළුවන් මට ඊළඟ පාර මම මේ වැරද්ද නිවැරදි කරගෙන වැඩේ කරගන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා. Right? For example, if you make a mistake, right, in school, what they do, they reduce marks. So I'm not discouraging you to go to school or anything. Yes, you have to go to school, that's compulsory. But if you make a mistake, if you do something wrong, okay, they reduce marks, right? But in real life, this is something else. This is not taught by school. In real life, if you make a mistake, that is when you learn, okay, to do the correct thing. So make sure, ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයා වැරද්දක් කරොත් ඒක පසුතැවෙන්න දෙයක් නැහැ, right? ඔයා වැරද්දක් කරොත් තමයි ඔයාට ඊළඟ පාර මේක හරියට කරගන්න පුළුවන්, right? So make sure, but if you all are sending me wrong answers, you don't need to worry. Why? If you make a mistake, make sure you don't repeat the same mistake. If you repeat the same mistake, that's a decision. That's not a mistake, that's a decision. So make sure, if you are making mistakes, you should be happy about yourself. Why? මම වැරද්දක් කරොත් තමයි මට හිතා ගන්න පුළුවන් මට ඊළඟ පාර මම මේ වැරද්ද නිවැරදි කරගෙන වැඩේ කරගන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා.